Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw and conceal your brows perfectly, so please keep on watching. So the first thing you need to do is take a spoolie and brush your brows. Obviously my brows have been shaved. You can pluck them or wax them. Now I'm just marking out points. I'm marking the beginning point of the brow, the higher point of the brow, which is the arc, and also the ending part, which is going to be the tail. Now that I have outlined these 3 points, I'm just going to connect the 3 dots together like I'm in kindergarten. That should be easy. Yeah. So just drawing a straight line through and connecting all 3 dots together. Go gently because there's no freaking need to rush. So yeah. Now that you have done this, just know that you're already 50% to a good brow. Now I'm just going to be drawing another line upward and trying to connect it to the bottom line because that's the only way you can have a perfect brow. Like I said, this line does not need to be perfect, it just needs to be good. That's all that really matters. Now I'm going to be going over the lines that I've drawn again just to kind of thicken it and also straighten it because we want our brows to show up on time. Yeah. So going over it and just drawing the tail of the brow. I know the tail seems fat now, but that is where concealer is gonna work. Now I'm just like holding the pencil lightly and just going in strokes. I'm not zigzag, just stroking it gently to create like fake hairs and so that it is not too thick or too dark because we don't want that. Now I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush everything together. This also helps to like disperse the pencil and make everything well darker. I'm just filling up some spaces that are left out, and yeah, that's all basically. For the front, I'm just acting like I'm creating hairs, but it's not useful because maybe it is useful. Now take my spoolie and just brush my fake hairs and make it faded into the brows. I know now it looks kind of harsh, but don't worry. So yeah, our brows are perfectly drawn. The next thing we want to do is conceal using the Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm just gonna take it in a concealer brush and just go lightly below the brows. This is a shade lighter than my skin tone because that's the shade you need for under your brows. I'm just going over it and be careful not to create a bump. If you do, go over it and kind of try and make it as straight as possible. I can live with just concealing the bottom part of my brows and leaving the top. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to conceal the top. For concealing the top, you need to use your skin tone shade. I don't have my skin tone concealer, so I'm going to be using my Fit Me foundation, and I'll just take little from the cap and go above the brows and try to conceal it. As you can see, I'm so scared to even go close to the brow because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, everything looked good at the end. That's most important. If you've made it this far, please make sure that you click the subscribe button. Like, I really want you to be a part of my subscribers. So please make sure, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon down below so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And please leave a really sweet comment down below. Yeah. Now for blending, I recommend you use a small mini beauty sponge. rather than using a big one, because since you're just a beginner it might destroy the brows. So I recommend a small one, or you can use a brush like this. I like this brush a lot because it helps me wipe away my concealer without destroying my brows and all my hard work. So yeah, so I'm just taking the brush and using it to dab away the concealer and blend it out. Blend it till everything is smooth and clean. And yeah, this is basically it. As you can see, the brows already look good. I'll just take a brow gel and use that to slip the hairs of my brows and just tie everything together. And this is it, guys. This is the brows. It's pretty. If you want longer brows, you can increase the length. Anyhow you want to draw your brows, you can draw it. But I really like this brow, and I hope that you try this method because it's super easy, as you can see. Now I'm just going to be taking powder and using it to set the concealer that I have applied, just to stop it from being sticky and whatever. Yeah, that's all I did. I'm going to be taking an highlighter and highlighting my brow bone, which is that arc part, and done. The brows are done and they look really, really good. I really hope that you learned something, and I really hope that you try it out because it's pretty. I mean, look at it. I really love it. You can see the difference between my former brows and this one. I prefer this one. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you, and leave a really sweet comment. Follow me on all my social media at Mobile Official. I post short makeup tutorials on my Instagram as well, so be sure to follow me there. And I think that's it. I really hope that you like this video, guys. I worked hard for it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.